first grade. Today we're going to review some of our spelling patterns that we've been practicing in the past couple weeks. We're going to also read a passage that has some of those heart words and spelling patterns that we've been practicing. And then we're going to spell words that contain the spelling patterns that we've been practicing as well. Okay, so let's just review some of our spelling patterns that we've been working on in really great reading. So the first spelling pattern that we've been working on are closed syllables. Remember, closed syllables always have that consonant to close that vowel sound. So closed syllables usually have a short vowel sound, just like the word hit. It has that short I. Open syllables, remember, do not have a consonant to close the door, so they have a long vowel sound. So this says I, it says its name. Hi. This has an open syllable. The vowel consonant E spelling pattern has a vowel followed by a consonant and then followed by an E that is silent. Right? Remember, the A and the E work together to make that A say its name. So gave. The word is gave. This has that vowel consonant E pattern. Okay, we've also been learning about our vowel teams. There are many vowel teams that we've been focusing on. AI, as in rain, ain, says that long A sound. AY also says the long A sound, like in day. Then we've been focusing on two long E sounds that have the vowel team, EE and EA. Teeth, teeth, and EA, as in beach, beach. And these two words both end in digraphs. Okay, then we also have that IGH. Okay, all of these words, or all of these letters are working together to make the long I sound here, like in night. Night. And over here we have OA. That makes the long O sound, as in boat. Boat. Okay? And then last week we've been focusing on inflectional endings. We have three sounds of ED, as in rented. That makes that ed sound. Helped makes the t sound. Chilled makes the d sound. Okay, so those are the three sounds of ED. And then we have the endings ER and EST, as in faster, fastest. And then we have plural nouns. Okay, if you have one cat, you just have that CAT. But if you add an ending, if you have more than one cat, you just add an S. But if you have a word that the base word ends in an X, you add that ES, which is boxes, and we pronounce it is. And then we have the ing ending, which just says ing, sending. Okay? Now that we've reviewed some of our spelling patterns, let's take a look at this passage that you will be reading. This is called My Siblings. Siblings are like your brothers or sisters. Okay? And whenever we take a look at this passage here, you'll see that there are a lot of spelling patterns that we have been studying, okay? So we're going to take a look at some of these patterns and we are going to just mark them up, and I'm going to only start you out. You guys are actually going to read this passage on your own, just like you did last week. So let me get my scribble out. Okay, and I'll make this a little bit larger so we can see it. And then I want you to see if you can find any of these spelling patterns that we've just talked about. There are so many of them. All right, so here we go. I see a spelling pattern right here. I see that in the word 5, it has a vowel consonant E. Okay. I see that siblings has an S at the end. That's an inflectional ending. I see another inflectional ending, ER, right here. I see an open syllable in the word begin. I see a closed syllable here. I see an ending EST. I see another ending. Now this one's a little bit tricky. It has the vowel consonant E pattern because that I says I with that silent E, and the I and the E are working together. That's the word like, and then I add an S and it says likes. Here I see an ending ING. Over here I see that vowel team EE. I see the vowel team EA and the word C. I see an ING. I see a EE vowel team. I see an ending ER and faster. Okay, here's that S ending. So there are so many closed, open, vowel consonant E, and vowel team syllable spelling patterns in this passage, okay? So take your time, go ahead and open up. After this video, you're going to click out and you're going to go into the My Siblings Google slide, and you're going to click this present button, and it'll make it full screen so you can see it really big. And I want you to practice reading this a couple of times, or maybe just once, depending on how good your fluency is. And then go ahead and click on the third video, and then you'll take the practice spelling test, okay? All right, boys and girls, thank you.